know I keep it real. I've been grinding since a youngin'. My money ain't gon' stop, and I'm making it to the top. I'm in my zone on the block. I don't need no validation. Ain't nobody copping me, ain't no time to stop me. You know that I'm with it and I'm remain. We gon' never break again. You know I ain't gon' flop. I'm standing at the top. You better be behind me in shame. Ain't nobody stopping my lane. Yeah, this mess you can't deny. I'm stacking it high, I'm rising above, and I will not astray. I'm making my way. I'm on Young Money Armor. They call me in the tank, got the time for the drama. Keep my mood steady. I got racks with my brothers. You ain't gon' stop this. Stack with dreams and dollars in my pockets. You know where I'm headed. Made it out the hood. I flex with this drip. This ain't no Hollywood flick. Always been struggling, gotta grind and shine. I ain't waste no time. I'm on the chase. Yell, I'll be fake. I just wanna stack. I'm just here to get racks. Can't nobody take a thing. I got me feeling like a G. I ain't never had it easy, gotta stay real. We ain't gon' let it win. We ain't gon' live large. This is my squad. We ain't here for no cure. We got the cough. We gon' make a lot. We gon' shrug them off. That is jealous, you know that I'm relentless. My grit unlocked. I ain't got no room for no fake shit. Chasing after dreams and greatness. Never let it go. Loyalty ain't worth shit on the shelf. Stay true to yourself. I'll be alright. I ain't never losing sight. Grind on day and night. Can't nobody tame me, I'm making a change. I ain't playing no games, I got diamonds on my chain. Money stacking high, I'm here for a better life. I don't need to be weak. I got 10 toes down in the streets. Pouring pain in my cup, ain't nobody holding me down. You niggas ain't stopping me now.